Pollen season. Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where it's the third week in May, and I'm cleaning a bunch of gutters today. Quick point I want to make: a lot of homeowners, they assume that gutter cleaning is just an autumn thing when the leaves come down, right? Well, here I am cleaning these gutters here, and these aren't leaves, but these gutters are absolutely clogged with these things. These are, I call them tassels. I think their official name is catkins. They're part of the reproductive cycle of a lot of trees, including these oak trees that are overhead. It's a springtime thing. It's not just oak trees. I think it's birch. I think it's willow and some other types of trees. Drop this stuff all over the place in the springtime. And if you have gutters, they're going to get clogged. So I encourage you to not think of gutter cleaning as just an autumn thing, because, you know, this amount of blockage is going to cause problem during our summer rains. Anyway, if you're in the Mid-Cape area and you've got some gutters you want cleaned, we are local and fully insured. Happy to help. Thank you.